Contact Management System. This section of the UserForm design. Welcome to Smart Excel AI. In this series, we're transforming Excel into powerful software by building a custom contact management system. Today, we start with the design, creating a sleek, professional UserForm that makes data entry a breeze. Let's get started. Recap of the previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we set up the database foundation in the contacts sheet. We created a structured table with 10 essential fields, from contact ID and names to company information, notes, and timestamps. This table is the backbone of the system we're building today. Step 1. Creating the Excel table. Now, let's make this data smart. Select your headers. Press Ctrl+T. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Click OK. With the table selected, go to the Table Design tab. On the far left, rename this table to TBL Contacts. Using a specific name like this makes our VBA coding much cleaner later on. Step 2. Entering the VBA environment. If you don't see the Developer tab, right-click any ribbon. Select Customize the ribbon. Check the Developer box. With our table ready, it's time to build the interface. Click on Visual Basic, or press Alt+F11. This is the VBA editor, where the magic happens. Step 3. Designing the UserForm. Go to the Insert menu and click UserForm. A blank form appears. In the Properties window on the left, change the name to FRM Contacts. Change the caption to Contact Management. Step 4. Adding labels and text boxes. Now, we need input fields for our data. Use the toolbox to add labels and text boxes for each of our table columns. Here's a professional tip: naming convention is everything. For every text box, change its name property to reflect its purpose. For example, the first name box should be TXT first name. This ensures that when we start coding, we know exactly which box we are talking to. For the Notes field, make the text box larger. Set multiline to true. Set scroll bars to vertical. This allows for long-form notes. Let's add the control center, our buttons. Create 5 command buttons. Name them btn add, btn edit, btn delete, btn clear, and btn close. Set their captions to match their functions. Conclusion and teaser. And there we have it. Our interface is fully designed, and our database is structured. It looks professional and is ready for action. In the next video, we'll write the VBA code to connect these buttons to our table. You'll be able to add, edit, and delete contacts with just one click. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to Smart Excel AI so you don't miss part 3. See you in the next lesson.